What's up, food friends? Back with an easy recipe this week for our ongoing war against ultra-processed and fast foods. This week we're making labneh. This is a Middle Eastern soft yogurt cheese that resembles cream cheese, but in my opinion, tastes even better. Gonna start this off with a quart of Greek yogurt. You can use regular yogurt, but Greek gives it better yield. We don't want to stir this up or mix it. We just want to scoop it out into a strainer lined with a cheesecloth. And I'm going to hang this strainer in a bowl so that the bottom of the strainer can't dip into our bowl. We want to keep it above the water that's going to drain out. We're going to gather this up in a little twist. You don't want to do it too hard or the yogurt's going to squeeze through. And we're just going to tie up the top and let this hang in the bowl 24 hours in the fridge. And that's really all there is to it. It's already draining water out. It's super easy. The next day, now that we've let this rest 24 hours, you'll see that our yogurt has shrunk. If you use regular yogurt instead of Greek, you're going to have even less yogurt and there's going to be a ton more water in the bottom of your bowl. And you can see how much water we pulled out of this Greek yogurt. This is the whey. We've drained this away from the yogurt, and this process concentrates the proteins in yogurt and removes more of the sugars. And now we have our labneh. This is a soft cream cheese-like consistency, and you can stop right here and use this on everything you normally eat cream cheese with. But that really wouldn't be a very long video, so I'm going to flavor this labneh 3 different ways. First, I'm going to make a scallion labneh. If you've never had scallion cream cheese on toast or a bagel, you're really missing out, and this tastes even better. Just going to slice up the green parts of scallions, and then we're just going to mix it in, and that's all there is to this one. It's really simple, and it's really amazing. For the next one, I'm going to dice up a few sun-dried tomatoes. Their earthy richness goes really well with labneh. And we're going to add a few diced up olives as well. Not a ton, just enough to flavor. And we're going to mix both of these in, and now we've got an amazing sun-dried tomato and olive spread. Lastly, and my favorite, we're going to make a Tzatziki Labneh Spread. We're going to grate 3 inches of cucumber. Then we're going to squeeze out all the water. We don't want to add any of this into it. After squeezing, we're going to dice this up a little smaller than normal tzatziki. Then I'm going to mince up a sprig of dill and a few mint leaves. We're going to add this all to the mix. I'm going to grate in a small clove of garlic. We don't want too much since it's good, being ground in fresh. And then a splash or 2 of lemon juice, about 2 teaspoons. Then we're going to mix this all up, and we've got Tzatziki Labneh Spread. So as you can see, Labneh yogurt cheese is very flexible. You can use it any way that you use cream cheese, and in my opinion, like I said, I think it tastes better. It's great as part of a charcuterie tray. You can make a few different spreads with breads, veggies, cured meats. I hope you really enjoyed this recipe today. Here's some more recipes I know you're gonna love. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel grow. Keep being awesome, everyone. Peace.